Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. Start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and select the video footage you want to edit. Now in the Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur. Now drag and drop it into the video clip on the timeline. Now go for Effects Control panel. Now adjust the blurriness value to the control the intensity of the blur. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.